sa taba ng baboy. And fried partner with fried fish. Sakit guys. Pais lang guys. So, ito yung specialty guys ng aming Kuya Julio. Shout out to this vlog guys. Please subscribe. So, ito guys, ang nagpapasarap lalo, the chili. From Philippines pa yan guys. So, nilagyan na ng gata guys. Canned gata. 2 cans. And then, the laing itself, the binilad. So, enjoy watching guys. More videos, cooking, recipe. Kuya Julio is in the vlog. Bye!